everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how you log in to your account on the Epic Games Store and in the Epic Games Launcher. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing I'm going to do guys is go ahead and open up the Epic Games Launcher if you haven't already. So I'm going to go ahead guys and open up the Epic Games Launcher, and after opening up the launcher guys, you'll be greeted by this page right here, which will enable you to log into your account, choosing what platform you want to use for the logging in. So let's say that you have any of these accounts, you can just click that option. I currently have only an Epic Games account, so I'm going to go ahead and click on sign in with Epic Games. So guys, go ahead and click on sign in with Epic Games, and here in the email address file, you want to enter your email address that you use for logging into your account. So here in the password files, I'm going to go ahead and enter my password guys. And after entering your password guys, now you can go ahead and click on this login now blue button. So guys, go ahead and click on login now. And after clicking on login now guys, this will successfully, as you can see, it says preparing the Epic Games Launcher. It will successfully logging you into your account, and you can get started with using the Epic Games Launcher. Here you can see all the games that you have in your account. You will be greeted by this main page right here. You can see all the games that you can buy in the store and so on. And so guys, that's how you successfully log into your Epic Games account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.